Hello students, I am your class teacher. Once again I welcome you all to my class. Today we are going to learn English and our topic for today is the mouse merchant. Once a rich merchant was scolding his lazy son, I give you some money to start a business, and yet you have not earned anything. You are good for nothing. Look at this dead mouse. A capable man can start a business even with something as useless as this. Somdat, who was the poor orphan boy, heard his words. He went in and requested the merchant, "Please lend me this mouse as a capital, and I will try my luck." The merchant burst out laughing, but still he gave the mouse to Somdat and took the receipt that Somdat wrote out to him. Somdat was walking down the street with the dead mouse in his hand when another shopkeeper called him. "Come here, boy. I need the mouse to feed my cat. I will give you 2 handfuls of gram for it." Somdat accepted the gram. At home, Somdat roasted the gram well. Then he took a pitcher of water and stood at the crossroad with his gram and the water. He waited for a long time. In the evening, when the laborers were returning from the wood, they saw the boy with roast gram and water. Somdat offered them the gram and water politely, "But he have no money. 2 sticks of wood in all we can give." "That's a good payment for this simple fare," exclaimed Somdat. By accepting 2 sticks and each laborer, Somdat collected a small bundle of sticks. He took the bundle to the market, sold it, and bought some more gram with it. Somdat did this every day. He became well known among the laborers as the nice boy who offered tasty gram and refreshing water just for a couple of sticks. Many of them began to buy this gram every day and their way back from the woods. Somdat got several bundles of stick every day because now he had so many customers. Once, when Somdat was selling the sticks in the market, he met the potter. He needed wood to burn in his furnace. In return from the stick, he gave Somdat pots for his gram and a few pitchers for the water. Somdat did not waste any money. He worked hard. So sell the wood in the morning and the gram in the evening. One day he had enough money to buy all the wood from the laborers. He sold it at a good price in the market. After some time, he even set up his own shop in the market. He was always politely to his customer. Some of them paid him cash while others paid him in kind. They gave him whatever articles they could offer. Somdat always found some way of the selling and articles to the who needed them. After a few years, Somdat became a wealthy merchant in the town. One day he asked the goldsmith to make him a small golden mouse. He took the mouse to the rich merchant. "He had borrowed a dead mouse from you in capital many years ago. Today I have come to return it. Please accept this golden mouse." The rich merchant was greatly surprised. He was impressed with the Somdat business skill that he gave him his own daughter in marriage. The Somdat who was a poor orphan boy, earned money and respect due to his intelligence, hard work, and politeness. It is not known whether the rich man's son learnt any of the skills from the Somdat. The end. Thank you.